everybody. Crowbar, cooking with crowbar. I got a different idea. I'm gonna cook up 2 Cornish hens. I'm gonna stuff them with stovetop stuffing, pears, which I gotta get the pears down, and maple syrup. Wrap them with bacon. I'm gonna leave one opened, okay, and then I'm gonna wrap the other one in foil. Should be fun, but let's get this together so we can get it going, and then later on, instead of revealing what the food tastes like in this video, I'll go live. We'll do it live. All right, so for starters, I have my stovetop in these bowls. I'm gonna do 2 different ones because there's 2 birds. I'm trying to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So I'm gonna take my pears in a can. Remember, people, emphasize, do it the way you want to do it. This is the way I was thinking about it, and I'm going to do it like this. So I'm going to add pears and the juice in each bowl. Get that, stuffing softened. So those are mixed up, ready to go. So now the next thing I want to do is I want to open up the casing for the chicken, get all the juices out of it, the ice, everything. It doesn't have the neck or the giblets, or giblets, I don't know how you say that, but it should be pretty easy, so here we go. It's a cute little bird. I want to raise it, I don't want to eat it. Anyway, it's going to be good. Here we go. Okay, so I want to show you, I made another little pan out of aluminum foil. This time I'll be careful not to puncture it, but why? Why spend money that you don't need to when you can make your own pan? Now, I do realize this is not the best angle, but you're in a truck, you got to improvise. So I got the ice out of there. It's a little cavity, man. So I want to get the stuffing with pears in it. Just pack it down in there real good like. Okay. I want to get as much in as you can. Remember, keep your handy dandy assurance wipes that I showed you guys on my live video that I use. All right. This is perfect. All right, birdie. Good. All right. We'll stretch that bacon out. And we take our little bird back. On top of there. Did I just hit the phone? I did, didn't I? Sorry. And then I'll just, well, that ain't good. Wrap it up. Okay. Oh yeah. There you go. One little chickadee. What do you think, guys? Pretty nice, huh? For a truck driver cooking in his truck. I think it's pretty sweet. Hopefully it'll be good. Then I almost forgot. I'm gonna take maple syrup. Just pour it all over. Boop. All over. Don't want to use all of it, because I got another bird to drown. Oh, yeah. All right. Now, the second one that I'm going to wrap in foil, I'm not going to bore you with the stuffing it, wrapping it, stuff like that, but I will show you when I go to wrap her in, okay? A little crooked here, Brian. But I will show you that once I get her wrapped up. Get it on here. and then we'll go through the features here. Should be good. Well, whoever had to process this little chicken was an idiot. They went inside and cut the tailbone, the spine. So now it's split open. Thank God this is the one I decided to wrap. Don't forget the maple. This is going to be a little tricky because you got maple syrup you got to try to trap as you do this. So catch that, hold it. So, okay. Catch that, hold it. So try not to tilt it, because if you do, you're gonna leak. Now, I'm gonna make this nice and tight. Keep that bird one piece. Okay. Now, if you feel a little concerned of leaking, I would just, make yourself a little tray. So, stand it up. Just like that. So there you go, folks. We have one wrapped, one open. Both of them are done the same way, but we're going to see which way is better on the convection oven. Okay, so now you have your functions here. Okay, we want convect. We want 375, so hit the plus, hit start. For your minutes, I'm doing this for 50 minutes. Hit start. Don't forget, you gotta turn your truck on. Power. It says add food, so it's preheated. So here we go. Now remember, you got both little chickens stuffed, wrapped in bacon, maple all over them. With the stuffing has the pear juice and all that other in there. So here we go. Going in. Oh boy. Hit start. Modify it, make it turn. So you see it is turning. We got both of them in there. So listen guys, I want to say thank you very much. We are over our 1,000 mark. Last I checked, we was 1,038 subscribers, and I'd love to see this channel grow even more. So that's it for this section. So you'll have to go and tune in live by the time you do. If you're a late arrival, it'll be pre-recorded. But we'll go live. Next time you see me, it'll be live. Have a good one, everybody, and thank you for subscribing. Be kind to each other. That's what we got left. People keep reminding me that too, because I've been getting short lately. All right, see you guys.